If you search how to buy shares of Adagene Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the basics. Adagene is a clinical stage biotechnology company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker ADAG, and this is educational content, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ADAG to find Adagene Inc., then select the entry that lists NASDAQ as the exchange. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct listing. Ensure the ticker shows ADAG and the exchange reads NASDAQ before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the eToro link and more details, see the description below.